I want everybody to give me a thumbs up if you can hear fine. Otherwise, we'll, I don't
Yeah,
know, do
people are
some.
waving, so I think they're waving. So
Okay, they are.
yeah,
All right.
yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
And
Okay.
also, I want to know where everybody is from. So, since this is a small business seminar, and you're obviously into crafting and you're obviously into, like, maybe you have a small business or something. So I want you to write your name, where you're from, and in one word describe your craft or describe your business. So Kanuvria, let me start with you. What is your, yeah, so who, like, Kanuvria from?
Yes, so let me introduce you. I am Kanupriya from Hopping Chidia, and I am a crafter. I'm a designer. I'm a product designer basically. And apart from that, I love cricket and I'm a cricket crafter, and I enjoy creating things with cricket. How about you, Dulcie?
Me also. I am a, originally I'm a graphic designer, and this is why packaging is like one of my topics that is so close to my heart. Generally I would go into more in depth in like designing packaging, how, what kind of visuals would go in there. But now, ever since I've had cricket, I'm all about taking that packaging, that one layer packaging, into multi-dimension, because I feel like cricket can help us, give us all those cuts, do the dimensions, whatnot. So that's my happy place. But I'm Dolce. I'm originally from Delhi, now in Pune. So everybody who is from Pune, I want you to like say hi, scream at the screen, honestly, because I want to be connected with everybody who is from Pune. And in one word, if I have to describe my business, I would say, again, I would say everything handmade or paper. So I think that's how, um, yes. So keep those questions coming. Avni is one of my,
Yes,
Avni is one of
just
my closest friends. Hi,
she's a
Avni. Thank you for
fish.
supporting. Yeah. Okay,
Amazing.
so I want to introduce like today's topic.
Yeah.
And so today's topic, we're going to be talking about perfecting packaging with cricket. Exactly. There's a difference. Some people outsource it, some people want to make everything by hand. So today we're just going to unwrap how we can take, how packaging can be a storytelling for your brand, how it can create more value, and increase the value of your product.
Right.
So what are your thoughts? I mean, how do you, where do you put packaging when it comes to small business? How important or how not important it is on a scale of 10?
So
How would you say that?
packaging is, I think, 10 on 10. It is the first thing that your consumer sees, because
Yes.
when you're selling something, especially online,
Yes.
you know, they're going to receive a package. They
Mm-hmm.
are going to receive a packaging,
Yes.
and that has to be special. That has to be, spot on, so that they see it and they go, wow, because they're already, I think, somewhere expecting the product that you're going to
Yes.
send them. They've seen it. Packaging adds that surprise element
Yes.
and that extra love and affection that you can actually, send across through a mail or a post. I think
Absolutely.
it cuts that barrier of where you are in your store selling things and giving something to somebody with your own hands,
Yeah.
and packaging can do that for you. It can show
I think
that
even
empathy.
before opening the product, it's like that wow moment.
Yes,
You get
exactly.
that and you're like, oh
Right,
wow, this is
this is it.
something that I
Yeah,
could
this is something
buy.
special and they feel special.
Yeah. But when it comes to cricket, like, how does cricket add to that packaging, or what does cricket tell you about the packaging? Coming from it's handmade things that we're selling. We're selling small. Everybody over here is a small business. We're not making in bulks. We're not, producing in lakhs of
Right,
quantities.
right, right, right.
So, how does cricket, like, if you have to give me like 2 points of how cricket can up your business game, what would be your first 2 pointers? And then I'll tell you mine.
Yeah. So my first two pointers are that there are no barriers of minimum, because especially when you work, when you have to have a specific packaging, supposedly I have to pack this earring, I have to go hunting for a box
Yeah.
this small and according to my taste, my consumer, my logo. So
Yeah.
I can't get like 10 to 15 boxes or even one. So Cricut gives me a leverage of creating a totally customized ace level packaging that shows my brand identity, that shows the importance of the product, that has my tags, has my logos.
Yeah.
It's perfectly according to the product. So one is this was all about the quantity, right? So the quantity is not a barrier at all. And the second is, again, you can go from tiny to a large scale.
Yes.
Yeah.
Obviously. And
Yeah.
even the
So,
detailing that you can do in those packs.
right.
Like you can create your own patterns with the pen. You can have your own patterns with foiling tool.
With
You can,
foiling tool, with pens, with cardstock, with ribbons,
with
with so
ribbon.
many things. Because
Like a couple. I think my latest reel is cutting acetate.
right.
So and custom box. I mean I fell in love with that for
Yeah.
sure. Okay, so I
So
want to structure this our live so that people know exactly what to expect next topic wise, and we have decided to break down this whole topic of packaging into the basic who, what, when, where, and why.
yeah.
All right, so this is like 101 of packaging, and we're going to start with who exactly packaging is for. So the first question, sometimes we're creating products, and we are so into our art and we're so into our craft. How would you describe who the packaging is for, and how can we because who is like this problem, right, we are solving through our packaging. So what is the first tip that you would give via Cricut to solve that who problem, or how does
Yeah.
Cricut benefit to solve that who problem? So
That's
what
a
would you
great
say?
question, definitely, because unless until know whom are you designing it for, it won't
Yeah.
make sense, right? It might
Yeah.
be special to you and it might not be special to the person who's receiving it.
Mhm.
Definitely, it is this packaging, this entire summit revolves around small business.
Yeah.
So it is for small business owners. It is all about their customers. It is about how a simple purchase can be, taken to a very niche level, very luxurious
Yes.
purchase for a
With the small
consumer.
tweaks.
Very small tweaks.
Yes.
Very little. I'll show you. I have a lot of samples here. I'll show you little details which can be done like literally under a minute. A literally simple line, but it can give so much leverage to your little packaging that you've
Yes.
made at home. Very professional.
Yes.
So
And even for me, for example, my products I think are more catered towards young teens, and I have some things that also attract like the old scarves, people who are wearing scarves, people, all of those. So I made this video where I designed packaging for scarves,
yeah,
because scarves
I saw
generally
that.
you see, you
Yes, I've
see
seen that. It was a
market
beautiful one.
and they're just hanging.
Yeah.
So how to make it go up one level and make it more premium? I'm sorry, I don't have many samples here. I
That's
do.
fine.
Yeah.
I mean,
So
we have
I'm on
plenty.
to show an example and everything. So okay, so why don't you show us some examples?
Yes, sure.
People.
So when I was talking about, just taking a simple packaging of a earring to a level up. So I'll just take an example. See, supposedly when I started, this is like a normal blank that you get in the market, and you get these die cuts. You place your earrings,
Yes.
right? You'll wrap it in some kind of paper. You
Yes.
put it in a paper, and then you put it in your box, right? You put it in your box, put the shipping label, and it's good to go.
Yeah.
Of course, it's gonna reach your consumer. Obviously, it's gonna go to your customer, and the product will be fine. Absolutely wonderful. You've delivered the package.
But at this
Now,
stage, it is not really talking about the branding. It is not really talking about
no,
the
yeah,
personality, and it's not creating that wow value at all.
yeah.
For me, at least.
Yes, exactly. So now that I have the leverage to use my Cricut machines,
Yeah.
I'll show you.
We want to see the after.
Yeah. So this is the little tag. See, can you see that glitter and all that.
It's gold foiled,
Yes, it is
isn't it?
gold foil and it has been done with Cricket Joy. So, I mean, barring that entire scene of that for packaging, we can only do it with Maker 3 or Explore. No, it's not like that.
Yeah.
Even the little joy can help you to upgrade your products, right? So this is a little one. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my earrings, put them here. And then I have the outer box also ready with me for this. See, so this is like a little box that I've tweaked. So the inner box, yeah. So that's like a little box, a print and cut box. You put some ribbons there, and it's like a drawer kind of a mechanism. It comes like this.
Wow.
Right. I can put my tags inside. I can put this, beautiful cut. So now it's talking about the entire story.
Yes.
That your, product is all about, your brand is all about.
It's saying that you care about your brand.
Definitely, So I have my little, all that tips and cares and what I am about, my Instagram account, everything about your brand.
So all of
it goes in your
house, or did you outsource anything, or just?
So the ribbon, yes, I purchased it. This entire thing is made of cardstock. This entire thing, it's all paper. It's all paper.
Okay.
There are
Maker or Joy for this.
The box, yes, because it's a bigger box.
Bigger. Okay.
I did use the Maker. Okay. Yes, but yes, for the Maker, but the inside of the tag that I used, the entire foiling part, it was the Joy. So I like to, combine, because Joy was my first machine and I love the joy of having it.
If somebody asked me, which is the best machine or something, and people like, Joy can be limiting, I always send them to your profile. Like, it's not limiting at all.
No, it is not limiting at all. In fact, I'll be very frank. So, year and a half back when I started working, I used to make everything with Joy, right? And the Joy, I kept working with it, and now I do have Maker 3, but when I have to do things quickly, quickly, that I'm short on time, my go-to machine is Joy.
Exactly. So I want everybody to tell me in the comments below which machine you have and which is your best machine. I think let's just stick to one question. Which is your best machine? And let's
put your names there. Yeah, it could be the first one you bought and the one that you use. I mean, there's comfort food and there's food. Yeah. So what's your comfort machine?
So again,
while we're talking about it, we'll prefer taking up all the questions in the end once we've gone through, because we have structured the entire packaging process. So once all that is done, I'm sure most of your questions will be answered by then. But still, if you have questions, we'll be happy to take them in the end. Yes, Dulcie, you were saying something.
For me, again, we spoke about who packaging is for. I feel packaging is for the customer, right? As much as we enjoy reflecting our artistic views and everything, in the end, packaging is for customers. And it definitely helps to understand what they like. If you have teens, you can use holographic. If you have, if you have something that's luxury, you can even do wide thing and add to your packaging. I remember you did one thing that, you did vinyl with ribbon on it.
Yes.
So,
yes.
About that, like, definitely tell us about that.
Yes, you can customize your ribbons also. See, like this one is a plain one. So using the iron-on vinyls, you can actually print, like you get so many ready-made ribbons for the chocolates. Like you see this lining here on the gold one. Can you see? There's this simple lining, like the edges.
Oh wow!
Yeah. So this can be achieved. Yeah. So this can be achieved through this. Can be done easily with the machines, but while using the iron-on ones.
Okay.
So that's the one. Yeah, that's the one that you cut on your machine and then you transfer it with the help of heat.
So yes, iron-on is similar to HTV. I think both of them are the same actually.
Yes.
And you can cut it with Cricut Joy as well for somebody who's in the chat. We
Totally,
can
totally.
definitely.
You can totally cut it with that. Right.
Okay. So my next question, or the next topic that I want to move on to, is what can you create with Cricut?
Okay, so I'm not
Now
going to
for the
stop on that.
real question is what you can't create with Cricut, right? Because it's so versatile.
Yeah, so
So
so you
there's
can do gift boxes, you can do envelopes. Let me show you rather than just talking, you know.
absolutely
So look at this packaging. This has some sparkled cardstock and
okay.
acetate. Okay,
Wow.
and this can be totally done on Cricut Joy or your Cricut machines.
Mhm.
So this I already shown. This is
Yeah.
your foil
I'm
and cutting.
thinking about like collections coming out, right? Like
Yes,
different collections can have different kind of earring backing and whatnot. I'm getting excited. I'm like diving into the
the
camera.
possibilities are endless, no? Because the possibilities are endless. So this is your golden, the foil cardstocks,
Yes.
right? You can turn fabric. This is foam sheet. This
Oh wow.
entire packaging is by another fellow ambassador,
Mm-hmm.
and
Wow.
she did it with foil, foam. This is foam
Oh,
sheet.
yeah.
This entire thing is made on
So
the Cricut machine.
for foam, what blade do you use to cut?
So for foam, it depends on what kind of foam you're
Mm-hmm.
using. So you can work with the deep point, and you can work with if the foam has, I think deep point works well. Deep point works really well
Even
with foam. Yeah.
rotary, I feel
Rotary,
it can.
yeah, I was just about to say, but rotary, I think it's, yeah, rotary will work, definitely work. But
Mhm.
rotary is more of when you have some kind of fiber, like a fabric, you know,
Okay.
when,
Yeah.
yeah. So when it's more of a fabric, like a felt, rotary
Yeah.
is like a best tool to use.
Have both machines. Can we use deep point in? We can use deep point in makeup, but can we
Yeah.
use deep point in Joy as well? Or what
No.
is the alternative to that?
So for the Joy, you get only two tools,
Okay.
since there is a smaller size because it's a portable thing.
Yes.
So you can use a fine point,
Yes.
and you can use the foil tip.
Okay.
So these
Foil
are the
tip.
two, yeah, the foil tip. These are the
And of
two
course,
tools,
use
and
pen.
of course the pens. Of course the pens,
Depends.
the pens,
That's why we
versatile
a
pens.
little bit because I feel like we have that marker set, right? We also have those metallic 3 or 4 pens. I don't know
I
how
mean,
many.
I don't know how many pens I have.
Oh,
So, there are like loads of pens that I have. These are just Cricut Joy. You have metallics. You have loads of pens.
wow.
So
I
there are so many. There are metallics, there are fine taped,
yeah.
there are the broader ones,
Mhm.
you have the opaque ones. The opaque ones are like, I love them
Yeah.
because they give such a good result on cardstock. Even acetate, even the writable vinyl, if you use,
Oh,
right?
right.
So
No. Oh,
yes,
wow.
so this is the printable vinyl. I'll just show you. This is the basic printable vinyl, and I printed some stickers, you know, when you can put
This
in the
is
end. So
super.
yeah, so you can just, you know, while you're packing, like supposedly I've packed my box, and
Mhm.
and I want to put something. It's just gonna go. It's serving two purposes. It's gonna seal the
Wow.
packaging, as well as, you know, it has a message to say.
So let's
So
say in this box you have your own tag, right? You put your own tag. You've put your own the box that you've
the
made.
box,
You've done
the entire box.
earring packaging. Yes,
Yes.
and you've done like the print and cut
Right, the
print
print and cut care instructions,
hair instructions. Wow, so everything is like
everything.
from your house.
And I haven't customized the ribbon yet, so if you customize that also. So, I mean,
Yes,
it's the value of that product, you know, increases so much.
absolutely.
You know, when you are asking, you know, why do we need the packaging? So these days, you know, I feel people don't have much time. They need to buy something, and they don't want to, you know, even spend some time going on and packing it again.
Mm-hmm.
So you can just, you know, pack in such a package. If I deliver you something in this kind of a package,
Yeah.
or maybe, you know, this kind of a package, right? So why would you want to pack it
One
again?
is for you just have to put acetate, right, in
Right, yeah,
around
I
it.
haven't put it yet because I wanted to show the cut, how fine it is. So it's a small box, and the cuts are so fine. and then you put the acetate from inside. You
Yeah.
can close it, and I've like written everything about
Oh,
my, handmade by Hopping Chidiya.
yeah, yeah,
And yes, then it's good to go. You don't need an extra packaging material or a bow or anything. You can just do it like that.
absolutely. So, can you show us more packaging that you've done? Because I feel
So
background, everything looks so good.
this is again and this is like a no glue thing, and for the crafters, I'm sure most of us are crafters
Yeah.
here, right? We put up pop-ups, we show our products, or for that matter, we do sometimes, collaborate with other brands and put the stuff at their store.
Yes.
So then the challenge what I used to face like 2-3 years back was like, how do I display my jewelry in their stores so that
Yes. Absolutely.
it's ready? They wanted something that's ready. They just don't want to spend any time. They're like, you just give us something that we can just give it to the customer.
Yes.
So this is such a beautiful one wherein it's like a one simple
Oh,
cut. Okay, one
this,
simple cut.
this you can cut with joy as
Yes,
well, no?
this has been done with joy.
Oh, this
It
has been
has
done with joy.
done with joy. So
I
yes.
can get to grab my hands on joy.
Look at the pen detail. Very little detail. I could have written my brand name and whatever, and then I put the packaging, the product here. Not just earrings, you can, if you put one hole, you can put a pendant here, you can put charms here, whatever your, way of, the brooches are really, famous these days. You want to put brooches, whatever. So you just, at the display point, you just put it like this, like a tent card.
Wow.
It can have all the details at the back.
Yes.
So, and that's it. And when the customer has to take it, you just, open it, collapse it, put it in a package that's maybe, a package like this. And
You don't find on
you're good to go.
you don't find
No, you trust me, you don't find such things on Amazon.
Yeah.
You do, but then again, you get these,
earring. I feel like both of us are very earring enthusiastic.
Yes, yes.
For orange, we can do orange. For
Yeah.
absolutely. Okay, so I want to ask the audience, among everything that we have seen so far, which is the most attractive thing that you've seen? Let's see. Yeah, I can also see a paper bag with a heart. Like, can you show that?
That's another one. It's again very interesting one. So again, I've used some acetate because I like the consumer to, take a sneak peek into what they are taking or holding. And it's got this.
We can put cookies in this, like even the bakers in the
chocolates,
and
cookies.
Every kind of thing that we can do.
Your little trinkets, your little showpieces, magnets.
And now Christmas season is coming.
Christmas season is here. All the Christmas ornaments go here.
Everything.
So close it like this. You just put ribbon here and it becomes something like this. So this is like a smaller version.
Oh, wow.
With like a scalloping detail.
Yeah, scallop.
And
and I love the ribbon. There's a place for ribbon as well.
Yeah, there's a place for ribbon here. So this holes that you see, your ribbon comes out from here, and then you can just, it's again like a, you just take that box with you.
And it's just
not just like you were talking about scarves, you can even put a scarf inside here, or a tie, or a belt.
Oh my God, yes.
So that's one of the possibilities are endless with the packaging box. You look at the packaging, and you can vary the sizes. The design space software, like our fellows Rana and Ranjita ji, they shared it yesterday. The entire summit, the entire live was on the software itself yesterday. So it's such a versatile software. When you start using it, you can expand the boxes.
1 million images now. Different kind of templates, whatever.
Oh, it's crazy.
One thing that I like about Cricut is we can also upcycle. So if we have scraps lying around, we can turn them into scraps. We can have fabric scraps that we can turn them into earrings or anything. So
I mean, so you can even.
I think Kanupriya got stuck. Okay, now you're right back. But say something. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, perfect. Sorry. So So where was I?
We were talking about scraps and how we can upcycle.
Yes. So not just in fact, for the packaging also, for making the exact products also. So I'll talk about, see, this is like something that I took this entire packaging from. See, it's so cost effective. This is one sheet and the entire packaging has come out of it, right?
Yeah.
So now I'm still left with so much of paper.
Mm. And now you can use it to make tags. You can use
I
it
can
to.
actually, make the entire pendant and an earring set with this. I'm so sure.
I've
Using my
seen some
machine.
of your products as well. Can you show that?
Yeah, so this
Like,
is one of my products. This is entirely made of paper
closer
strips.
to the camera.
This is entirely made of paper strips.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So is it this one is quilling? I think those
Yes,
quilling.
it is quilling. Yes, it is quilling, but in a very different way.
Wow, nice.
Oh, but it's all scrap papers. That was, you tend to cut them into various ways. So I've just glued them all together, stacked them, and came up with this.
Wow. And
So
then
and another one I'll show you. So there's this scrap kind of foam sort of a thing, and you can just,
oh, you use
make a brooch out of
foam?
it.
That is so
That's
innovative.
felt. That's felt. Sorry, that's felt fabric.
Oh wow.
Felt sheets. That's a simple brooch.
It's very pretty. It's very pretty.
Yes. Thank you. And in fact, I've been eyeing your earrings, and I'm sure I can create them with Cricut.
I was somebody asked me because I showed this on my story. This I got from Nagar while I was going for shopping, and I can actually create this using shrink paper.
Yeah,
So that
you can. You can.
yeah.
The
So we
shrink
can
paper.
cut it. We can cut it out of Maker 3. I think
Yes,
just
you
use
can.
it plate,
Yes.
and all we have to
You
do
can
is
use
just
a
heat
deep point
and
plate.
yes. Like even my dad, whenever I see something, I'm like, okay, this is something I can make, and my dad is like, "Tu to har cheez bana sakti hai." And I'm like, that's the power I've gotten now.
Yes, that's the power that you have.
Yeah, cricket is
the
my superpower.
So that's what no. So when everybody knows that cricket can help you create products and all, but I think packaging is one thing that people didn't realize they could create, and that is one element wherein they feel left out most of the time, especially in India right now. You don't get amazing packaging. If you get it, it's so expensive that sometimes it's more expensive than your product. It is. It is not the appropriate size, it is not the appropriate color. So I think that has been resolved with the help of Cricut, and you don't have to bother. I'm so ready to send the stuff. So if you tell me, you like this something, and I'm ready to just pack it right away and send it across by tonight.
So now this actually loops into our next segment, which is when to focus on packaging. So what is the correct time? Like you started your own business. Let's just say, today you got an idea and you're like, oh my God, I can make these earrings. Let me get those paper. Let me do. And you've managed to make some free earrings, right? So, and then because I was at that stage as well, where I was like, should I invest? Like, should I get in touch with those manufacturers? When is this? When should I start thinking about packaging if I'm working on a project, or like what is that crisp point? I think for me, I always think about, okay, I've got these scarves, right? And how can I upsell them? Like, how can I create the value? So right from the start, I'm thinking about packaging, and I'm thinking about, do I want to roll it up? Do I want to put it straight? Do I want to do
Absolutely.
with it?
So
And
of
course,
packaging is one aspect. I would advise, like you also said, start from the beginning only. Just keep thinking of how you will be able to display that product in the best possible way. Then the presentation, they say in Hindi, no, jo dikhta hai, wo bikhta hai.
So I was gonna say the same.
So that's the day, that's the time. The time demands that.
Yeah.
So whatever you have, unless and until you show it in a proper way, it's not gonna sell.
And then even like if people enjoy the whole unboxing thing, they post it, and then that's a different kind of advertisement that you have. But it's that point where you feel special holding that one thing, and you really reflect all the love and care and the detailing from that packaging. So
I have a little story that is just
Yes,
came to my mind. So
please tell us.
my first ever order, I think back in 2016 or something, I don't remember.
Mhm.
So I was sending it for the first time to
Okay.
US, something like a little. So it's my master in the spectacle lanyard that I
Oh
3 in
yes,
1 lanyard that I
you know.
create, and it's totally made out of like
Okay.
newspapers and old magazines and stuff. It's
Yeah.
totally upcycled, totally. So the review that I got, what I was expecting was the person would say it's functional, it's looking good, and the review that the person left for me was it was a beautiful packaging, and that consumer could feel the empathy and the love of that creation through that packaging, and
Mm-hmm.
it was a
That's
totally win-win
the story
situation.
that you want.
The kind of
It's
heart
like
and
a piece
soul
of
that
you that they have.
yes,
They
it's
take.
a piece of you, it's a piece of your brand, it's you that you're sending across. It's a
Yeah.
handmade creation, it's not something that machine has made. So you've invested time, you've invested your heart, you've invested your
Mhm.
thoughts, you've
Yes.
invested your own part into it. So
And
that same can be achieved in the packaging now.
and I've also noticed, like when I was doing exhibitions, I mean, I've only done twice so
Yeah.
far. And you're right about जो दिखता है वो बिकता है for sure, right? So I've also noticed that when you have that similar template packaging and things that you've bought from Amazon and whatnot, people can overlook the products. Like even when you've had a display, and unless and until like it's catching your eye. I mean, I am a big fan of holographic.
Yeah,
If you know,
yeah, I've seen that.
I just dive into holographic or like metallic something. So even if people did not enjoy looking at the earrings or looking at something, they were like, "Wow, packaging is good. This is gift."
Yeah,
So
yeah.
most some parts, some products of mine that actually sold because of the fancy materials that I used. So when it comes to materials or things to use for packaging, what products have you used, or what
Yeah.
things that you want to use? I also want to ask people who are watching what products they fancy cutting out of the machine, or what are they looking
Or
forward to cut from
yeah, yeah.
if they have. So
Yeah, so if you're talking about me, I am in love with the
oh,
craft sheets
this is the
from Cricut. They're super sturdy.
yeah,
They cut like, a piece of cake. They're so smooth yet so strong.
yeah,
And of course, the colors, they're all festive colors with
they're
Christmas
right.
coming up. And,
Do you have
Diwali
the
is
entire
just, just
can we-
gone by. And so, I love this. And then this cardstock by Cricut, and
oh
it's got an adhesive back.
yes,
So, and look at the color palette. So
i i
I
I
love
use
these.
it for my backdrop
Yeah,
mostly.
yeah, yeah. So
Get
this
myself to
is
cut. I don't know why.
ham because these cut like such nicely, and then cardstocks, all kind of cardstocks. So most of the
Mhm.
people are already asking about the GSM. So
Yeah,
I would feel that 300 GSM, anywhere around 260 to 300 GSM,
yeah.
is like a perfect for lightweight product packaging. If
Mhm.
you're packaging something that's small, that's little, even your clay products or little tiny things, so which
Mhm.
can take up a weight. If you're still looking for packing some heavier things, then maybe you can layer them.
I
You can layer them with
layer-
acetate.
yeah, I like
You can,
layering. So I like
yeah.
to use something that's 185 or 200
um,
GSM, and then I layer it up for sure. So that both ways I have golden, or both ways I have
right, so
holographic.
this is one example of layering,
Oh yeah,
so that it's
perfect.
more sturdy also,
Yes,
right? So that
it's
it's
more,
more sturdy.
and even with the glue, it becomes a
Yes,
lot.
it becomes
Yeah.
a good sturdy thing that a consumer receives. So the
Okay,
pink
so
one was
go
again
back. To,
260.
I
Sorry.
want to go back to the demo that you showed. Okay, so there was a before and after.
Yeah.
All right,
So
and
this was like the before, the simple packaging box that everybody likes to send or everybody receives, and this is our after new
branded.
box, right?
Yes.
With a
So I want to ask the audience who are watching. I feel like if you're here till now, I want you to give me a peace sign. Give me a
So
piece
this
sign, everyone.
I can see so many
I can
balloons.
you see the balloons.
I can see balloons.
So I want you to send me all the peace sign, guys. And again, the before price that you are willing to pay for these earrings, and the after price.
After.
So this way, I wanna like tell people that how you can increase the value of your product, because if everybody is in a small business or handmade business, it it really goes a long way. If for one product you're getting 100, by just improving the packaging you can double the price,
Yes.
and or provide more value or provide more storytelling to your brand, to your audience. So yes, I mean, I think packaging is not to be overlooked for sure. And if you want to give us a number between how much are you willing to pay for the earrings before, and how much will you be happy paying for the earrings after, we would love to hear from you. And I don't know, I will, the
Yeah,
chat
so
is moving, or
let us give them some time, and
let us
maybe
give them time. Okay, so we're going to move on to the next segment, which is where to use
where to
packaging.
use the packaging. So no,
So packaging isn't just about boxes, and it
no,
isn't
it's
just about
definitely.
So uh what are the things that, like you said, we can include tags, we can include all of those things, but let's go one step deeper as to crafting like occasions, or how to make one occasion special, or what kind of occasions we can use our Cricut to make these these gifts, or what how would you say that this occasion is the perfect occasion, or where to use a Cricut.
I think every occasion.
Every occasion.
Be it someone's wedding, it's the wedding season right now. You have to send so
Yeah.
many gifts at so many places. Be it's a birthday, maybe it's
Hmm.
a baby shower,
Maybe.
maybe it's a birthday party. It's even the corporate events.
Mhm.
Everybody is looking for something that they can, I don't know, maybe show off.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
because
everyone's there. Like, even I saw this one ambassador only. She was packaging some raisin coasters, right?
right.
And in that raisin coaster, there was a particular tagline that the corporate wanted. So they wanted they this was an encouragement to the employees who were working, and so there was this particular phrase that they wanted, like "never not give up" or
Yeah,
something like that. I
exactly.
think like this can only happen, and when you have the quantity of, let's say, 25 or 30,
Mm.
Cricut is the perfect companion to do,
Definitely, definitely.
right?
No, no. So that's what, you can use it anywhere and everywhere. Cricket goes
Yeah.
everywhere. Be it your kitchen, the
The chart.
boxes, the lids, you need to sometimes, label them
Yeah.
or write the expiry dates, and especially people with OCD like myself, where you want to
No,
see
even
similar
to
jars
the
with
Pinteresty kitchens, if you
exactly
see
the
the fridge.
Pinterest and all that. So with so much of social media and so much of Pinterest, your reels and all, people want synchronization, people want pretty looking things,
Yeah.
and that's why Cricut is like a, what do I say, I mean, you can create everything out of it, everything from product to packaging to the outer packaging, the labels.
Hmm.
I
And
think
how
customer.
easy it is. Like, if you have to, verbally tell us, let's say you have to make one of those earring stands,
Hmm.
right? How easy is it to do it? Let's just tell me the steps verbally, and let's see how well you remember the design
Yeah,
space.
okay. So, step one, you either create that design according to the
Yeah.
size or you pick up from the design space. It's that
Let's say
easy.
newbie, I don't know nothing,
You know
right?
nothing, okay,
Yeah.
and you don't know how designing, anything,
No,
nothing,
no
right?
design, not a graphic
Nothing.
design.
Perfect. Even better. That's easier, You just go to the design space software.
Yeah.
You just type that packaging for a earring or
Okay.
backing for a earring.
Okay.
Just type. You'll get 10
Then
different kinds of templates.
different options. Yeah.
I swear 10, but you'll get more than 10.
More
You
than
just
that.
select that design.
Yeah.
You just see if it is, according to your product size or not. You hit the make, you put the material, you cut it, and
Yeah.
it's ready.
And it's
And
ready.
you know,
Yeah.
this one, something like this, no glue, nothing.
So
So
what
this one,
take you to make it? Like, let's
just
say,
make it and cut it, and that's it. You're
no, the
done.
flower one,
The
the flower is thing.
this one?
No, the flower one. You remember the
Oh,
flower
this
bag?
one. And this doesn't have any assembly also.
Yeah.
So,
Time did this take you to make?
yeah. So, see.
Wow.
So this is basically your just give the command and it's ready.
So like 2 minutes, I think.
Yeah, roughly.
And
And
let's say in
not
one,
just one. You get like
yeah,
the
in
3-4 in one
you
go.
get about, I think, how many? This is like
Like
three, probably.
yeah, three in one sheet. I think 4. You for the joy you can put 4, and for the maker I think more than 12 on the 12 by 12 sheet in one go.
So I recently got this
Nice.
from a store,
That's
right?
so cute.
But I was thinking about how all of this we can make with Cricut.
Yes,
Like,
we can.
like this is just the felt material.
Yeah, this can
and
be easily
the
done
hand.
with Cricut.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
Can
I
you-
actually found a similar image on a design space, and I was like, this is the first thing that I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
It's
So
so easy. So even this is doable. Why spend money?
exactly, and not just easy, not just money. It's so convenient, no?
It's convenient.
It's so
Absolutely.
convenient.
Okay, so now the heart of it
Yeah.
all, right? I know we've spoken about packaging and we've spoken about why it matters, but let's just sum it down, right? And why exactly does packaging matter so much? Of course, we were talking about it tells your story
Yes.
and brand personality. When people, it's like your love in their hand even before they've opened. It's like the second layer of love. First layer is obviously the product
Right.
that you've
Right.
hard to make, but yes, it's that second layer of love, and we can make it luxurious, we can make it playful, we can make it eco-friendly, we can do bulk in one cart, and best of it, it is cost effective.
Yes.
So the ultimate reason, I feel, narrows it down to building a loyalty, right?
True.
You
True.
want
So true.
you
So
want
true.
your customers to be loyal, and
Yes.
you want them to have the same kind of experience consistently, right? And working with a manufacturer, I know, have you bulk buy
Yes.
from a manufacturer?
Yes, I've tried many times. Initially, I used to try doing that, and at one point of a time, I left that. I didn't have any Cricut machine with me. So what I used to do was I used to save cartons and cartons of packaging that I used to buy stuff. Supposedly, I'm buying few creams, I'm buying chocolates.
Yeah.
So I used to retain those packaging. I still do that, but
Yeah.
now like upgrade them. Now I upgrade them and create my own packaging. So at that time, I used to cover them up, put stickers on them, write with pens, color them, and then
Yeah.
send the products in those. So because that made more sense. Again, cost effective, customization, loyal, and reusing. So all that. So, but it used to take a lot
Something
of time and a lot of
with
space.
me, my experience with buying from a manufacturer was that they were very time consuming, right? Like if they say 1 week, they will take 15 days for sure. And then size ka panga. And then they're like, oh, if you want something that it may be offset, because they're not taking much care in that packaging.
Right.
This thing for them, it's like a bulk order, karo khatam. And yeah, for them, they don't want to do quality checks, like they don't want to do all of that. And plus, I found it being a designer, because I get so many ideas all the time, and once I have the sample, I'm like, oh my god, how will that look in another color? Or like
I feel you. I can feel you.
Yeah. So that part about discovering and like cutting other things and going through, making free mistakes, I feel like Cricut is my place to make free mistakes.
Yes.
Like you have to use, it's just one piece of paper, but otherwise it's like this whole exploring about what you can cut with it and how
you can do sampling. It's basically you do sampling on your own.
whole
And
creative,
that's what it's all about. Yeah, the entire creative process. All the
yeah, whole creative
crafters here would agree. Yes, it's all
yeah.
about the creative process. So yes.
Okay, so we spoke about how packaging with Cricut is better than outsourcing in 5 points. Like we would say that it's cost
Yes,
effective.
agreed.
You have your full
It's
creative
creative.
freedom.
Right,
Yeah.
right, right.
You have your faster turnaround time.
True.
Yeah, you're not waiting for any manufacturers. You're not waiting for
Nobody,
any
nobody.
editors, nothing. And then
It's like
obviously you have the better quality.
quality, right? Because the quality is in your hands. You don't have any glue marks. You don't have that,
Yeah,
that the
I get so
glue.
frustrated when I ordered these acetate box, and at the bottom, like this was 2 years ago, maybe during COVID times, and the bottom had such yellow glue marks. Oh my God, I was like, why did I waste so much money? Like
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
yeah,
So you can definitely control that. And then of course it is, sustainable and an upside option. You have your own logo, because if you're sourcing the packaging from outside, most of the time they won't give you your logo.
yeah, they,
It's gonna be so much of an additional cost that you end up just, telling them, okay, let it be. I don't want
yeah.
that. So
And I
because
also
that is,
that we can do gold foiling. I mean, I'm
I
yet
can't even
to,
think of gold filing, from taking
yeah,
it outside, because there's so many steps and so much of cost involved.
yeah.
I can't think
Minimum
of gold
pieces is like
foiling.
10
No,
pieces.
no, that's like
Minimum.
I think 100 or something. More than
Yeah.
100. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, you
What?
can't.
So, I'm yet to experience the whole foiling tool. I mean, I think you are doing it better because do you want to show it again?
You're,
Yeah.
I think the
Yeah,
foiling, yeah. So, can you see it like this? Yeah.
yeah, a little bit now. Oh, yeah, now it's perfect.
So I've written like the entire Hopping Chudia name with it. So it's
So,
not
what?
foil.
How did you do this? Because with me, sometimes it's not regular or
So
it's not.
I'll tell you
Yeah.
what you do is, first
Give
of
me.
all, the way you place your material is very important.
Okay.
The entire material has to be really flat. The
Okay.
foil has to be properly flat and taped from all four sides. Don't be confused with the tape. It has to
I
be
could use.
properly. And then, of course, when you're designing this, so this is basically a font, and I've filled it with pattern.
Okay, you have done that. Okay.
Yes, you have to fill it with pattern, or you take such a font that
The-
looks like that, or you fill it with
okay.
pattern, and then you get this entire, that proper kind
Yeah.
of a feel. Yeah.
So you use the minimum tip or the boulder tip or which
So
one?
for the joy, there is only one tip.
No
Joy.
way.
Yeah, Joy has only one tip. Maker 3 has the
Next
fine
tip,
and the.
yeah, three
Yeah, yeah.
tips.
The Joy has only one tip. You want me
One
to
tip.
show it? I can show it to you. This is the one. So this is the foiling tip, and that's the foil I'll show you. This is the foil that I've used for it. So this is how
There's so
you
much.
tape it from like all four sides. So this is the front, and this is how the material gets, transferred to the
Wow.
foil. Yeah.
So 2 on 2 then. I mean, no wastage on this one.
Yeah, yeah. So I could have like put 3 also, but
Yeah.
I mean, if I would have placed it properly, I could have gotten 3 already. See the third one. So this is again, I've reused it because I've done this previously, this pattern. So this is again, I reuse it. So I reuse a lot, and I'm sure I'm going to use it again.
Obviously, don't throw it.
No, I can't.
Like I
I
have this
just
whole.
can't. Once I tried to, create an artwork with all these used foils. It looked so pretty.
That's
So
what
I
I'm
can't throw
saying
them.
for. So mostly when I'm doing my earrings backing, because even I have it on my store, I use a holographic, and those holographic sheets are like, firstly, they're to die for. I mean, I don't want to use it for anything, but even those little scraps, I use it for tags, or I use it for like more, those tiny ones. And then I also have label pin, so I've used the scrap holographic for those Lego pins. So I was
Okay.
like, I'm gonna get every inch and every centimeter of this
Yeah,
cardstock.
all the crafters are, I think, like that. They would want to use every centimeter of that foil.
Exactly. Okay, so I want to
Okay,
come back.
great. So yeah.
come back to asking you some rapid fire rounds, okay? And I want everybody, if you're watching still, and you guys can answer this as well, all right?
Yeah.
So,
Guys, please
Kanupriya,
go
you
ahead
have
and
to be quick,
yes,
really quick.
really quick. Okay.
Like, and you have to answer these questions, and they're just 5 questions.
Okay.
So the first one is, what is your go-to cricket material for packaging? It has to be cricket branded.
The craft board. The craft board. It's
Okay,
super sturdy. Yeah. It's super sturdy. Gives me the best boxes ever.
I think they have two
Then,
two color combinations. So one is
there are more than 2. They're not more 2. They're more than 2.
no,
Let
the
me show you the color.
pack, entire pack.
Yeah, the entire pack has like,
Yeah.
it comes with it's got this blue,
Yeah.
it's got this red, and there was another color. I think I'm finished with that.
I think I have
Yeah.
both of them.
Yeah. So
in my
see, look
studio
at
in
these.
Pune.
So these are the 2
And
colors that I have right now, and I'm over with the other one. So
no, but there are 2 packs. So for this one, okay, maybe this is like new information for you.
maybe yeah, because they keep coming with the products, and I like it that I don't,
So
I don't have it now. I would want to have it.
yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
So one is I mean, we have to. I mean, I feel like we're representing cricket,
Another
so
thing,
we have to.
sorry. Another thing I want to tell you, not just
Yeah.
this, you can use this part also, because sometimes people
Yeah.
like the brown craft paper sort of a thing. And imagine, this is from the outer, and inside when they see it at the, background of the product, there's this beautiful thing, especially for Christmas.
And you can even like stick it together and
Yeah.
use both of them.
Yeah. So
I
it's a two-way thing.
craft boards. So, these are called cricket craft boards.
Craft
And
boards, yes.
one is the Jewel collection, and the other one I'm forgetting
Yeah,
the
so
name.
I'm sure you can find it on the site.
Yeah.
I'll find it. I'll find it out because I need it now.
Yes. The other one is actually lighter. So this one is more fashion colors.
This is like more dark and
yeah. The other one is more like champagne colors and rose gold towards that. And I remember I used it for a scrapbook. So I cut out all of my sentiments. So I cut out like love, and I cut out those things.
Wow.
And I added some depth onto my scrapbooking pages.
That's nice.
And it was really, one sheet, and I could cut about, I don't even know, like 20, 30, or maybe even more sentiments. And it cut out really well.
Right.
That's what.
It's really well. It's very precise and sharp. Yeah. It's nice.
Yeah. And you can also make cake toppers with these, right?
Yeah, like cake toppers. You can make basically anything that you can do with paper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even like the 3D dimension ones and whatever.
Yeah,
okay,
the 3D stuff, yes.
So now it's the second question. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, what is your favorite design space feature that you cannot live without?
Okay, it's the when you can put the things in curve. I keep forgetting its name. When you write the text and you can curve it in one go.
I think it's called WARP or WRAP.
Warp tool. Yes. It's a warp tool. I love it. I love it. Offset is nice, but this one is like amazing. You just turn it like this, turn it like that. I don't like straight things, I think. So,
I like the contour. I think for me,
contour is also a contour is like more of a technical thing,
I've used so many softwares, and this one, just the kind of customization that you can do to every design and tweak it to your own perfection. It's easy. It's like bam done. I mean, I use
definitely
I use images from Design Space, and whenever I want to not cut out some things, I use the contour tool and just hide those parts. It's so easy. It's like so easy.
It makes your life really easy. Yes.
And I remember we were talking about this, I think a while back, where I think maybe someone was saying this or something, where initially they didn't have a lot of features. I mean, I recently got my cricket machine, but like initially, I think a couple of years back, they didn't have a lot of features or a lot of these things on Design Space, and we had to work around getting an offset. We had to work around all of this.
Yes. The offset wasn't there. Imagine life without offset.
Yeah. How? I can't imagine this.
I don't know. You use offset. You have to use offset. Yeah. You create a sticker, you create a backing, you create jewelry, you create anything, you need an offset.
You need an
So I'm glad I was not then there doing the offset.
Yeah, because even I saw that video where
I can't imagine things without offset.
but yeah, there was like a whole workaround, like you had to add circles and like match the whole
No.
thing and everything.
Especially if it's
So,
complicated silver.
yeah. So that's what I like about cricket. Like cricket is always learning. The gods at cricket, they're always listening to us and they're always
Yes.
saying, and it's like the most
I must congratulate the design team there,
Yeah.
the people, the R&D team. They have done an amazing job and they are continuously doing it.
Yeah. So on the meet and greet, you were there for Diwali
Yes.
Utsav, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I mean, give us a little bit like teaser of what all happened and what to expect next year.
So I'm sure we're gonna have more of such events. We are planning to have more of such events.
Okay.
And it was one event which was professional. It was fun. At the same time, it was so casual that
Yeah.
everyone could participate and enjoy and go out with good and useful memories. You hardly have such events, wherein the events are either formal
Yeah.
or casual or something else, or it's fun, and this was such a meaningful and such a you know what I mean? I mean, it's fun also. We enjoyed. It was so formal yet so informal. So much of information. Ambassadors from all over India, and I mean, there's
And I feel like
loads
there
of
are people who are actually like they wanna like everybody's working in their crafting and their creative self out, and yet there are some people who are shy, right? Like so how to attract them. I feel like I want to get them out of their shell, and I think these are the best events for them to like come meet other people, see how people have grown from their
You
journey.
must watch out this. I would just tell all the entire audience that must watch out this space,
Yeah,
because we're definitely coming with a lot of events
I
like
think
that.
there's in Paper World. So Paper
Yes,
World is
soon.
happening in Mumbai.
Yeah, Mumbai.
If I'm not mistaken, it's in January or it's in Feb.
I'm not too sure about the dates right now.
Yeah,
So,
but it's around that time. Like
it's around that time wherein you can, actually just have a good time and learn at the same time.
Okay, so I have another question.
Oh, yes, please.
What's in your cricket wish list? Like,
oh my God, this is a list of I need.
Everybody in the audience also tell me what
I
is
need the Auto Easy Press. I need the Venture. I need what not.
Machines. I think machines are great. Like machines are everyone's wish list. But like apart from the consumables, what is that
I
one thing?
love the glitter vinyls. I have most of them, but I do have holographics, but I like more of holographic vinyls. More of I think I'm missing on yes, I'm missing on one tool also. Yes, the engraving tool.
Engraving.
Yes, I want
tool, and ever since I've received the Diwali box and or what engraving can do, I just want to back and get back into engraving. And
I definitely need the engraving tool. I hope Santa's hearing. Cricket Santa is hearing me out loud and clear. Have my wish list.
For me, I really like the the sticker card pack that you showed. That's something like that's something I want to save. I don't know why. The colors are perfect. The quality is nice. So I have 2 bundles now. So maybe one bundle I can finally get myself to cut and make some stickers. But the second one, I mean, I'm keeping it. That's like a collectible for me at this moment. And I also, for me in my wish list, cricket wise, I think I really like it's now.
Someone said perforation tool. Yes, that's an amazing tool. I really want to do some stamps with perforation tool.
My comments are stuck.
Oh, so someone said perforation tool. Thank you so much. I'm so damn sure that we all want it.
Advent calendars, if you know. So perforant tool is basically for someone who doesn't know. It's that tool where you
Cut.
semi cut.
Yes. So you put like dot, and you
Yeah,
can
you know
tear those things.
lines where it's
Yeah,
terrible.
it
But
helps you. Yeah.
advent calendar out of those. So many different things. I'm sorry, I can't read anybody's new comments. I think it's just stuck for me.
Maybe it's
So
I'll read them out for you.
yeah,
Anyway, it's our time to answer their questions. So people, I would want you to pour in with all your questions,
yes.
and we would be happy to. We are sorry, so sorry if we missed out on any questions. If you would want to ask them, please, you
Okay,
may put your questions here.
I'll start from the start because I have the
Yeah,
starting
you
part
can.
here.
So till the time you go till the top, so there's this question. I feel cricket raw material expensive, then how to sell it? So I don't really feel that, because if you compare the quality of vinyl, because vinyl is the raw material that people mostly, buy.
Mm-hmm.
And if you compare the quality of that vinyl with some other vinyl,
Yeah.
whichever you may take. So I happened to use one, unfortunately, like long time back when I started with cricket. So it left such glue marks. It was
Yeah.
all sticky and it wasn't sharp enough. And then once the cut was, I managed the cut, then it wouldn't transfer. So all the time that you waste and
Mm-hmm.
all that effort that you waste again and again doing the same thing,
Yeah.
that is all saved here,
I
So that's how. But again, the choice is all yours. But I would say that I don't feel that at all, that they're so expensive, because the quality and the feasibility and the easeability of using these materials, it's
mm-hmm.
very high quality.
I think with the machine, you're not only limited to cricket materials,
Right.
but as a beginner, I feel like if you want to learn the machine the right way,
Right.
you should start with using
Definitely.
cricket materials because
Definitely.
the machine knows all the settings.
Right.
They have used these.
Yeah.
I remember we met Ashish at a meet and greet in Bombay, and he told me how he had 40-50 machines all working and test baiting all of these products and everything. So even to the depth, the angle of the knife, all of these, they are crafting they're
They know
research
their job,
making
and yeah,
best. So
doing
we should actually start using with the cricket products,
yeah,
and then, and I feel like once you know how to, you've learned your machine and you know
right,
how to anticipate the machine.
right.
I feel like that's when you can
Yes,
expand on.
true, agreed.
So then we have, I think, one question. Can we do HTV on Joy?
Yes, of course you can.
Joy.
You can cut, yeah, you can cut the material on Joy. It's called iron-on material. You can easily cut it on Joy and then transfer it. It's easily done.
Yeah, but make sure to mirror, right? It
Yeah,
has to be
that's for
mirrored.
every machine. So that's
Yeah.
something that goes for every machine. You need to, whenever you're using HTVs or the iron-ons, the
Yeah.
cricket material is called iron-on. So it has to be mirrored all the time. Either you mirror the design or you mirror it while cutting it.
Okay. And then there's also the size. How much size can you cut with Joy?
So
If
the
you know.
Joy is, I'll show you the exact mat size. So there are two sizes that are available.
Okay.
One size is this. It's basically your 4.5 to 6.5 inches. So this is the size, 4.5
Okay.
by 6.5 inches. This is the mat size.
Yeah.
This is the smaller one. And this is the bigger one, which is your 4.5. Again, the width is same, 4.5 inches. And it goes up to 12 inches. So 11.5,
Okay.
I would say, because the material needs to be within
Yeah.
the mat.
Using
So this is the
smart vinyl, then the length can be
smart
what?
one. The length can be then the size of the roll. It could be 2
Yeah.
feet, it could be 1 feet, it could be
Then we
48
don't need
inches.
the mat.
But no, you don't need the mat. Then
Yeah.
smart material.
Okay.
The width stands the same. Still, the width would be same, the 4.5 inches.
And also the exciting news is that for all of these consumables that we've spoken today, there is sale going on right now on Sage. So
And it's
I
a good
think
one. It's a great sale. We
that's
have
fun.
like amazing sale
And you
going on right now.
can use either of our coupons if you want to,
Yeah.
add to those purchases. And that's going to get you an extra discount. So if you're hoping to buy a machine, I think this is the perfect time because the rates are killer to die for. Okay. So now my art maker said I have a Joy and Maker 3 both, and both are the best in their own ways. But my comfort machine is Joy. Okay, so we have Team Joy +2. Yes. And I'm planning to buy. Suggest me which one should I buy. So this is someone who's saying Cali Design Scripts.
Okay.
So which machine? Now you have both machine. I mean, I am biased towards Maker 3. I feel like if Cricut machine is your one-time investment, this machine is gonna last you,
Right.
you know, up to like 10 years if you use it correctly. I mean, maybe not 10 years, but I guess close to that. I've seen people still use Cricut Explore 2, which was launched way back. So yes, it's a one-time investment. And I feel like once you have the machine, you want to explore more. You want to try engraving. You want to try a lot of other things. So Maker 3 is packed with everything. Like it's a bundle of
Yes,
joy.
it's like your to-go machine, no?
Yeah.
It's got everything.
And it's the latest, it's the flagship model that that Cricut has. So I am biased towards Maker 3. If anybody asks me, I'm like, okay, you know, save up, maybe, you know, find the right time to buy, but buy Maker 3. But how would you defend it if you have to talk about joy?
So the Joy, the only one point is good enough. You can take it anywhere. You can take it anywhere in a little cute bag,
That
and
beats
you
it.
can create anything anywhere.
You know, I live in Pune, but I'm in Delhi right now, and I am missing my machine.
Exactly. So the Joy could have, come along because it's allowed in
Yes.
flights, it's allowed in railways, anywhere. You just have to carry it in a little tote bag, and the bag is also very cute.
And it's a quick machine too, like intelligent smart.
Yeah.
So yes, I think
Yes,
Joy
yes, yes.
5 points. Okay, then
Yeah.
somebody is asking, can we do scoring and stitched kind of effect with Joy?
So the
So,
stitch and scoring effect? Huh.
yeah, so I think what she's asking is, you know how you use Big Shot and all of those other machines, and they have that design. So can we do that?
Yeah.
Absolutely. I think it depends
Absolutely.
how well you know
It's just
the
that
software.
instead of giving the straight
Straight line.
single line,
Yeah.
so you can just
You
break
can
it
do the
into
score.
dots and all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the good thing is you can even, you know, instead of just having that dent, you can even do foiling in those dents. So your frame can have foiling, or you can draw. So I
You can
think
do that. You can achieve that effect very easily.
yeah, and you can use Gallop. You know, you don't have to buy different cartridges or different like you do with Big Shot and whatnot. So yes, you can. Okay, and then can we cut iron on with Joy? I think you've already asked. Which iron should we buy for transferring the iron on?
See, preferably I'll say you should go in for the Easy Press and the what Cricut has. But if you use
In
the butter
India,
paper or parchment paper in India, because it's not available right now,
yeah.
so you can use the parchment paper or butter paper. Just keep it, on top of your artwork, and just use the home iron on a moderate temperature.
It's funny because someone just uploaded a video, I think just last night.
Yeah.
It's about using your daily iron and transfer iron on. So sometimes, you know, you can try it. Like once you're a pro at or your business is asking you for more HTV or more those
exactly.
Then you can go for a bigger machine like Easy Press and whatnot. But you can start with your daily machine, I guess.
Yes. You can just try it on first of all, just to check the temperature and all, just to try the settings, and then do it on the final thing. And I think after 1 or 2 goes, it's good to go.
But it also depends on what kind of iron on you're buying. Because I've said on Amazon, if you don't buy the Cricut brand, the quality isn't good. Again, you're
then we're not going to suggest anything. Then you have to go try it, because I haven't tried it, frankly, because I've always used and while you peel it off also, and while you're weeding it, so it does make a difference.
Okay, then we have, can we make PVC boxes too? PVC.
PVC, if they made acetate, then yes, acetate you can make boxes. You can definitely make acetate boxes, but PVC, I don't know what PVC material.
Yeah, I don't know PVC either, but I
Yeah.
think you can go to the Cricut machine can cut up to 2
Yes,
thickness,
2 mm
right?
thickness. Yeah.
So we can do foam boards, we can do cardboards, chipboard,
Chipboard.
even basswood,
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
basswood veneers
Yes.
and everything. So
Yes.
is Cricut Press available in India? If not, any idea when? So they're working for Cricut Press at this moment,
Yes.
right? Not available, but I think they will be available pretty soon.
Yes.
Hopefully next year. Let's see.
Knock,
Then
Santa. Knock, Santa.
yeah, Cricut gods. I say Cricut
Cricket
gods.
gods.
So
Yeah.
Avni is asking, how can we make stickers with Cricut? Can we do a tutorial on this? Yes, absolutely.
Yes.
It's pretty
Thanks for
easy.
the suggestion. And this tutorial has already been taken up also by a few of the
Yeah.
ambassadors. You can go and scroll on the pages. Otherwise, you can go on the website. You'll find some.
Yeah.
As you'll find them on the YouTube channel. But yes, we'll make sure that in the coming
I think
months
we can do
we'll
a
take up
collaboration.
the tutorial.
I think
That'll
let's
be
do
fun.
this. Take it
That'll
on
be fun.
YouTube,
Yes,
right? Let's
that'll
do a
be
challenge.
Let's
Yeah.
do that. Let's
Let's
do
do
that.
a challenge. So maybe we do a challenge real soon, guys. Then we have another question. All these are made out of Cricut brand paper or any paper we can use.
You can use any paper. Basically, all these are just basic cardstocks. You can use any kind of paper that is 2 mm thickness, and please try that whenever you're buying any paper, it doesn't have a lot of fiber in it, right?
Yes.
The paper has to be that can be cut in the smart machine. So
Mhm.
it's not like that handmade paper, I would say, because for the handmade paper, then you'll need the rotary blade.
Yes. Yes. So
So
anything
that's
with,
the only thing.
I think that's the big tip that you've
Yeah.
given us today, Kanuka. It's like things with fiber, things with the fabric, all of that.
Right.
Rotary blade
Rotary
is the
blade
best one.
is the best. Otherwise, the fine tip one works really well.
So Cali Designer Scripts is also saying that everything that you've made is so beautiful and creative.
Thank you.
And any cardstock you can use. So I think those are the comments that I can see. I think from here you can
I
see
think I'll just
anymore.
scroll once and okay, all right. So again, I think you've taken up all because I can see that question for making stickers from where I can see more videos and all. So embossed create, हाँ emboss आप create कर सकते हैं पर आप embossing नहीं होती है, इसके लिए debossing होती है. So this question is by RT Craft. So it does debossing, जिसके अंदर आपका एक deboss tool आता है, उसके थ्रू आप कर सकते हैं. ऐसे डायरेक्टली embossing नहीं होता है. Maker 3 पे हो जाता है deboss. Right?
There are ways to do embossing. I think Raina, another ambassador who tried embossing, and you can check out her page, right?
It goes by the name of Mommy Goes Crafty, and she took her entire session on debossing, and through that she had shown how you could do embossing.
Yes. So even on this page, like even on the Cricut India page, you can scroll down and you can see there's so many values and tips and whatnot. Again, so I think this was really a lot of fun. I think packaging doesn't just have to be functional, but it has to be your first impression, right? So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys.
Today.
Seriously, yes, it was a great live. And for more lives like this, there's another class live tomorrow on the same page, same time, 4:30 p.m. and it's by Meghna and Gauri, and they're going to talk about another very important topic. That's how to price your products that you create.
Price your products, like I remember somebody was asking, the materials are expensive, so how can we sell? So do watch that session tomorrow.
You have to. I'm gonna watch it.
Yeah, it's all about how to perfectly price, because even I need that teaching. I feel like right now
definitely
yes. And this is for us. I mean, this is all the time that we have today. I am Dolce. My handle is DOLLCEEE, and Kanupriya is Hopping Chidia.
Chiriya.
Hopping Chiriya. She's always hopping. Happy hopping. Right.
And someone asking the page name, so it's cricket_in. Cricket, the one on the Instagram live is happening right now.
Yeah.
It's CRICUT cricket_in.
Do you want to write your Instagram handle once so that people can just click on it? Yeah.
Okay, I
And
can do that.
mine is, I think mine is I'm live
So
with
yeah, so now that you can see, it's you are live with that,
yeah.
right? You're
So,
right. And
but I'll also let's see if my comment section updates.
yeah, so we can save that information in the video. This live will be saved, guys. So
It will be saved. And of course, you know, whenever you're creating something, if you have any questions, if you have any doubts, feel free to ask us. We're friendly people. We're not gonna bite. Yeah,
and we'll be
fresh.
more than happy to share, we'll be more than happy to tell you about things. The cricket, in fact, the cricket page also, they can reply, answer your queries, and
Absolutely.
watch
And
out for more
please
lives.
with replying and building connections and of course sharing inspirations.
And
So
do tag.
tag cricket if you're using the machine and you're creating something amazing. Do tag us. We want to see it all.
Yes, I want to
And
see all the lovely creations, especially the packaging
yeah,
now. I'm looking forward to ideas on packaging.
packaging, make sure to tag me. I mean, I want to see it all, really. And maybe even copy some. I'm going to copy some of your packaging for
They're
sure.
all yours, because I've taken I think all of them from the design space software.
Okay, I am also one last thing because this has been ever since I saw your orange packaging, which is just sitting there near your machine. What's inside it? Can you please there's this mystery thing inside that packaging. Wanting to
So I did this for the Diwali Utsav only. So it's a very cute thing, very close to my heart, and it's a little lantern.
Wow!
Again,
my
made
God!
out of paper. It's a little lantern.
This is beautiful.
Yeah. So last Diwali, I did some earrings also with this. So this thing, it was just a hanging. So yeah.
How do you make it sturdy? This is my absolute last question, and then we're gonna.
So see, you take that kind of paper, first of all, the GSM. Try to take it like around 300 GSM because that makes it sturdy. If you want it more sturdier, then layer it up. So and it doesn't go anywhere.
And do you put resin or something on it or no?
Not really. I'm not very fond of resin, frankly, because just the only thing is that it's not a natural material, I feel.
Okay.
So I don't prefer it that much. No offense to anybody who's using it. It's just my own personal preference. So what I do is I just give a coat of glue.
Or glue or Mod Podge.
Or a water base, or a Mod Podge, or a water base varnish.
Okay. Wow.
Which is like a bit easier on the environment.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And also one last thing that I want to mention, and I want to give all credits to you, is those lovely ads that you're coming out with.
That's the entire cricket team. That's all of us, Dolce. That all of us. I'm sure you're gonna be in one of them soon. Cricket has so much to plan. Thanks to the entire beautiful team. Thanks to Anup. Thanks to Suman. Thanks to Rena. Thanks to everybody. Ashita. I think everybody plays such an important role here. Thanks to Sana. Thanks to Shweta. Everyone. It's a joint effort. It's always a joint effort. You can't do things on your own. You can't take things to a higher level unless you have a proper cohesive team. Thanks to Cricket Team India, thanks to Ashish for bringing us to this beautiful world. It's a community. It's a beautiful community. It's a community effort, and I'm really glad that I'm part of this community.
No, I'm looking forward to more of those ads, to be honest.
Yes. I'm sure there are more coming soon. I'm sure.
Yeah, really, really creative and innovative. So with this, I want to...
One last thing, just before we leave, guys, go check out Dolce's like properly explained, because I really don't have the patience to do that. Because whenever there's something new in the cricket zone and or something new in the craft industry, I just go to her page and see what kind of tools she's trying to use, what kind of things she's combining together to make quirky stuff. Do go check her out her page, and with the detail, her YouTube channel has all the details of how you use things. So all the tutorials, they're lovely. And thank you for putting up that much effort into those tutorials and those,
I enjoy
you know,
it. I
yeah,
mean,
no, I really
I
adore
have
them.
the
And
cricket
they're
fever. I have the cricket fever at the moment. I'm enjoying and I'm exploring, and it's I can't stop. I don't know why. I can't
You
stop.
shouldn't. You shouldn't stop. You don't have to think. You don't have to stop. And I'm
No, but
looking
it's
forward.
also, the whole community is
Yeah,
so inspirational, and everybody's
definitely.
coming up with new things, and it's just, you see one thing and you want to try it and make it your
Yes,
own.
definitely.
So absolutely, I'm glad to be
It's the
part of.
energy that flows, no?
Yeah,
It's the entire energy that
if
flows.
we should do this live. We should do another
We should,
live
yes,
another
do
person
it.
for
We must
sure.
do it. We should. And it was such a wonderful one. And
Yeah,
I'm so glad I did it with you. And thank you, Cricket, for giving us this opportunity. And guys, we are really looking forward to all your projects and
yeah.
whatever you create. Do tag Cricket India, do tag Dulcie, tag me. And yes, come up with loads of questions.
Yes,
And
absolutely. Okay,
yes.
so you. See you
All
guys.
right. So,
Another
guys, bye bye. Take
time.
care. See you.
Okay.
Bye.
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 Thank you.
Take care.